but we are all enslaved to something.
Wow, that line hit me hard. You know, I've heard a lot of people say hijab is oppression, but what if it's actually the opposite? Let's watch this video together.
Becoming Muslim and wearing hijab restrict your freedom?
Upon embracing Islam, I have gained my freedom because there is something driving all of us. There is something behind the reason why we get up in the morning. For all of us, that could be family, it could be a job, it could be to chase wealth, it could be your own desires, but we are all enslaved to something. But I would rather be enslaved to the one who is perfect, to whom I came from and I will return to, than to something which is going to end just as I will one day.
When I heard this, I couldn't stop thinking about it because we all live for something, right? So what do you live for? Is it money, success, other people's approval? Because if we're honest, most of those things don't really satisfy us, right? But when you live for something eternal, for Allah, everything starts to make sense. That's when you feel peace, even in chaos. Maybe real freedom isn't doing whatever you want. Maybe it's finding purpose in something greater than yourself. We all follow something like trends, desires, and so on, but none of those things lasts. True freedom, I believe, starts when you choose to live for the one who created you. That's what Islam gave that woman. And honestly, it's what so many people are searching for without even knowing it. So, what does freedom mean to you? Let me know in the comment. And if this video made you think, hit that subscribe button. I share content that helps you look beyond the surface and see the beauty of Islam. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.